The next generation Nissan X-Trail has been unveiled at the Shanghai Motor Show. The large SUV is set to go on sale in Europe early next year and will be powered by Nissan's e-Power hybrid powertrain from launch. The new X-Trail looks the same as the new Rogue, which means it gets an aggressive front fascia thanks to a large V-shaped grille flanked by a split LED headlamp setup. The front-end design of the SUV is dominated by large LED DRLs and large headlamps, while the profile has a prominent character line running along the length of the SUV and emphasizes the long wheelbase of the vehicle. The rear end of the new X-Trail gets large wrap-around tail lights, a roof-mounted spoiler, and a chunky bumper. Inside, a new design gives it a cleaner and modern appearance. It gets new features such as digital instrument cluster and a floating touchscreen infotainment display with connected car technology. The central console gets quite a few controls such as a drive mode selector and a rotary off-roading mode selector. The Japanese manufacturer is not ready to unveil technical specifications of the 2022 X-Trail, though they say it will be sold with the company's e-Power hybrid powertrain. The new Qashqai was launched with the same system, which consists of a 1.5-liter engine and an electric motor for a total output of 187 horsepower, 140 kilowatts, and 243 pound-feet, 330 Newton-meters of torque. It's interesting to note that the combustion engine is used only to generate electricity, as the wheels are actually driven by the electric motor.